If you want to start a casual game on chess.com, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. Whether you're just practicing, playing for fun, or you simply don't want your game to affect your rating, starting a casual game is the perfect option. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open chess.com in your browser and hover over Play in the left sidebar. When the menu opens, click Play Online. This is where chess.com lets you begin a new match against another player or set up a custom game. Once you're on the Play Online page, look for the Custom Challenge button and click it. This option lets you create your own game settings instead of jumping straight into a default match. It's especially useful if you want a more relaxed, casual game with specific preferences. Next, you'll see a rated switch. To make sure your game is casual and does not affect your rating, toggle the rated switch to off. This is the key step if you want the game to be unranked. Turning rating off means the result won't impact your competitive score, which makes it ideal for practice, experimenting, or just playing without pressure. After that, take a moment to review any other game settings if needed, such as time control, color choice, or opponent preferences, depending on what chess.com shows on your screen. If everything looks good, click the Start Game button. Chess.com will then create the casual game using the settings you selected. And that's it. You've now started a casual game on chess.com. It's a simple process once you know where to go. Open Play, choose Play Online, select Custom Challenge, turn Rated off, and start the game. From there, you can relax and enjoy the match without worrying about your rating. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who wants to learn chess.com quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.